Welcome to my brand new tutorial, guys. In today's video I'm excited to share this update called Hashora. So this is a mining website. Okay, you are going to mine with different currency. They have different currency. All right, the link will be in the comment section of this video. Do well if you are interested. Click the link, register. After you register, you are going to see the interface like this, and don't forget to join my Telegram community. I will be leaving the link in the video description. Okay, so if you have any question, do well to let me know in the comment section. And if you have any video you want me, or you are in any website you want me to make a review, or you want me to do something, also let me know in the comment section. Okay, I will get back to you. So when you register, this is how the interface will look like. But this 2.4 you are seeing here, you are not going to see 2.4 MB, you are going to see 1.0 MB. Okay, when you register, the minimum withdrawal, the registration bonus is $1. Okay, so you use that one USDT to start your mining for free without investing. Okay, so after you register, you scroll down here, you see they have different type of currency. Okay, so you choose any one of your choice that you want to mine on it. When you come first, you see this one that is showing slice. You're supposed to slice it like this. Choose any one of your choice and slice it like that. So you see this BTC that you see here like this. I've already sliced it. You see, this is how you are going to slide it. If you come, you are going to see it like this. Okay, you are going to see it like this. All of them, you are going to see them like this. So you choose any one that you want to use for mining. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to use for mining. Then now you slice it till the end, till you see 100%. Okay, so you slice it until you see 100%, then leave it like that. Anytime you come, okay, and you see this place, let's say you have already dragged it to the end, you come and see it somewhere like this, which means you have person that use your referral link, you get a commission. Okay, all you need to do is to still drag it up to increase your mining speed. Will increase. You see this place, you are seeing zero. You see free MP. This place you are seeing free MP. Each time you come and see number on it, this zero you are seeing, you see it increase to something. Like let's say for example, you see now, if I reduce this one now, you see it's 0.288. Okay, when you come and see something like this, that means you have a free MP. So all you need to do is to just come and drag your mining this thing, then you now see it will show 00 like this. Okay, after that, if you mine, you want to reinvest, you can click this reinvest you are seeing here. It's going to reinvest. Okay, you click it, you see reinvest. If you want to reinvest, click on max, you max everything. Okay, you see you are going to earn 0.03 MP. Okay, for your investment, then click on reinvest. Okay, so but I'm not reinvesting, I'm just showing you. So if you want to withdraw, click on this withdraw you are seeing, click on it, then you put the wallet address. Any crypto you are mining, you go and copy the address in your wallet, then you paste the address here. If there's any tax, you enter. If not, you leave it, then put the amount, then withdraw. So I don't want this video to be too much longer, but this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to make a full video tutorial on how every currency work. Okay, like each of this blockchain, you see BTC, Ethereum, USDT, each of them, I'm going to make another video tutorial to show you how much is their minimum withdrawal. Okay, and tell you their minimum withdrawal, because it's supporting multiple withdrawal. You see them here, there are plenty. So if I say I will explain all of this in this video is going to be too long. Okay, you are seeing it's plenty. So I'm going to make another full video tutorial to tell you their minimum withdrawal. So make sure you register, you click the link, join and start mining. So now if you want to deposit, like to buy a any amount you want to deposit, but if you want to deposit what you know you can afford to lose. Don't deposit what you cannot afford to lose. Okay, so you click on this deposit section here. When you click on it, choose the currency you want to deposit. For example, let's choose USDT. Then choose the wallet address here. Let's choose Tron. Then you copy it. You see copy. Okay, but if you come for the first time, if you have not choose any wallet address, let's say I choose Solana, right? You click on it, you are going to see something like this: generate address. Okay, then click on generate. When you click on generate, the address will show. Now you see it, then you now copy it. When you copy it, you can just click on done, then go back and make your deposit. Come back, you are going to see the money in your wallet. All right, so that's how to deposit. Now let's go to the referral section. Okay, you see this place you are seeing here, you click on it. You see, click on this one, contacts. This is where you see the contacts, referral contacts and deposit contacts. You see history. This is where you see your deposit history, withdrawal history. Click on this more. Okay, so now one thing I love about this update, when you refer a friend, you are going to earn 0.2 USDT and 0.2 MP. That's to increase your mining. Okay, so click on refer and earn. So you see now I have 7 active referral, then I earn 1.4 USDT. One thing I love about this website, if you refer a friend, once they register on it, your reward will just come to your account sharply. No any till they deposit or anything. Once they register, you will get your money. You see, invite friend and earn 0.2 MP, 0.2 USDT instantly when they sign up. Okay, earn up to 10% on level 1, 1.5% on level 1, level 2, earn 0. Level 2 and 2%. Okay, so that's how it is. Just make sure you check everything by yourself and confirm it. Okay, so now if you want to purchase a plan, you want to calculate and see how much you are going to earn after you purchase. Like if you want to see how much you will get in a month, how much you will get in a week, how much you will get in a year, so you click on this profit calculator. Okay, you select the currency. Okay, let's say USDT. Okay, then you put any amount, let's say for example 50 USDT. That's, I'm just giving you an example. Then you scroll down, okay, you see in hour you are going to earn 0.05 cents. In a day you are going to earn 1.25 cents. In a month you are going to earn 37.50 USDT. Okay, so in 3 months you are going to earn 112.50 USDT. So that's how it is. You just put any amount you calculate. After that you went and you go and do your deposit. All right, so guys, the link will always be in the comment section of this video. And for now, let me give you a small advice and a small warning, because the last time I made a video about one update, mini telegram app, Oka Coin, I made the first video to tell you guys, if you are going to join, you join. When they listed the token, I'm going to make another video to explain you guys how the update, how the listing works. Before I made a video, when they listed it, before I made a video and post, some of you has already go and make deposit. Since that time, they have not been paid. And I normally tell you guys, if I made a video, if I say I'm not sure, most especially if it has deposit, I say I'm not sure, or I'm going to make another video, you can join it and keep earning on it, but do not deposit, because I need to make a proper research to make sure what I'm bringing to you guys is not scam. Okay, it's legit. Even me, I'm losing my money, because any update I bring, I say you can deposit, I have to test it with my own hard-earned money to know if it's working or not. if it's not working, if any update I tell you that this update is a scam, I put my own money inside and it didn't work, that's why I will know. Okay, because there is no how you will know it if you did not try it. Okay, so in this video now, I'm telling you this: do not deposit yet. Okay, since you can mine with your free earning. Okay, and if you invite friends, you will earn their commission without them depositing. So just use this opportunity and register on it. Start earning. Refer your friends to start earning. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, press the notification bell, or you join my Telegram channel. The link will always be in the video description, so that when I drop the next video, that I will tell you if you are up to deposit or if you are not to deposit, you will be notified. But if you do not subscribe, if you do not join my Telegram channel, I want to assure you that when I drop the video, you guys will not be notified, and you will always be earning. But if you want to deposit now, it's on your own. Yes, because I have to make a proper research. I want me to reach the minimum withdrawal first and withdraw it by myself. But the people, my friends that refer me, they have withdraw on it, but I want to withdraw it by myself to confirm it. But my friends that refer me, they withdraw on it in front of me. Okay, as for now, it's paying. Okay, but I will not advise you to deposit now. Just use the link and register, since you are getting a free bonus for mining. Okay, register and use that free bonus and start mining now. Okay, so guys, don't forget, click the notification bell, and when you subscribe and join my Telegram community, the link will always be in the video description, and the registration link will be in the comment section of this video. All right, so guys, that's all for now. I wish you happy cash out.